If you love scrolling Zillow but your home's still sitting unsold, you need a new plan. Houston, let's talk strategy. Ready to upgrade your selling game? In 2025, the way we market homes in Houston is changing fast. Sure, Zillow is still popular, over 70% of home searches start there. But here's the twist, those same buyers? They're also scrolling Instagram and Facebook for the latest listings and sneak peeks. Recent data shows that Instagram Reels and Facebook videos get 45% more engagement from local buyers than static photos on listing sites. Translation? A quick tour of your backyard or a snap of your kitchen on social can reach way more eyes, especially in Houston, where people love to see real life before they swipe right. Zillow and other big sites are great for the basics, but if you want to stand out in 2025, go where the action is. Post video walkthroughs on Instagram, share updates on Facebook, and use those platforms to answer real-time questions from buyers. People want to connect before they commit, and these tools make it easy. Bottom line, the best Houston home sellers are using all the platforms, Zillow to get found and social media to get chosen. So, ready to level up your home's exposure? Start mixing your platforms and watch the offers roll in.